Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on Bitcoin cryptocurrency app here, which is the most popular of the day. Usually it's not like that. And we're looking for discovering what's happening in terms of the price action, technical details, and everything that is substantial at the end of the day. So we're going to dive into the topic by seeing the past 7 days on plus 4.20%. Yesterday it was much better, yet the selling pressure has been triggered. And I'd like to share with you some meaningful price actions on the board. Before we get into the topic, make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel where we have Bitcoin live trading, ChatGPT bot trading videos, and the ability for you guys to participate in our AI bot trading presentation. I'll talk about it a little later on. So here's what's going on with BTC. This is 1 day candlestick, and I'd like to share with you 3 simple concepts of 50, 100, and 200 days EMAs. The EMAs are having the ability to indicate us for a lower time frame as well, higher time frame, which means longer term representation of the dominance. With confirmations, reconfirmations, denial, breakouts, and support, it is an indicator that used to be quite underestimated, but at the same time it has its functionality utilized in conjunction with other things at a decent level. Now, what I'd like to share with you for the current context is basically the rejection we are facing here. And I'm going to zoom into a little more and present you the ability that the market is having a rejection by yesterday on 50, 100, and 200 days. You will be able to see the color of the line with their moving average days listed right there. So the blue one is 100, the green one is the 50 days, and then the red one is the 200 days, right? So it's all explained right there in order for you to have a clear understanding. What is important at the end of the day? Well, you don't want to have the golden cross of 50 to 200 days coming from the top below. So green one is 50, 200 days is the red one. You don't want basically the golden cross to happen, which means that the 50 days will cross from the top downwards the red one and makes the death cross. That's how it's called in the industry, which is a clear signal of an upcoming period that represents a bearish domination sentiment across the market. It didn't happen, yet we have faced a very strong resistance yesterday. So we would like to see today what is possible to be completed and how does the markets will react. Are we going to rebound here on the golden testing and the 50 days EMA will successfully break above the 100 days and continue basically with a price action back to 30 grand right there? Or simply, we are simply just going to find the golden cross and then the market will eventually come back basically to the original levels and retest our $17,000-$18,000 marks. This is very important for the upcoming period, which means that these days that we're living right now through September 19th are crucial for the price of BTC and for the future market situation listed right here. So this is something you definitely need to keep in mind and see based on today's video. You need to take this very important key points. How are we going to react today, tomorrow, and the next day? So it's 21st, 22nd. Once we get into those dates, everything is going to be clear. If we don't get support by the usually we need 100 days for the bull run to be supported, and I can show you how did it manage to act in the past. 100 days is the blue line. Let me share with you folks. So in the past, when we started the bull run, 100 days was actually the one that was holding us quite well. The 100 days is just like I said, the blue one. So take a look how the market is retesting it a couple of times right there and then find support on the blue line. Let alone the 200 days must be below and must be free of any try of breakout, which means breaking below. Must be free of any try of that. So must be energy to save the markets before testing the 200 days. This is how the bull market conditions are. Now, when you are entering in the accelerated phase of the bull market, the line that will hold you for any testing will be the green line, and that's the 50 days. moving average. Once again, 100 days moving average needs to react a couple of times of support when we are talking about a bullish market sentiment, which can only happen as a real bull market movement after BTC halving that is going to be on April 2024. So expect in the upcoming months after that to have a such chart on your screen, and then consider that the bull market is actually the time we are getting started. That's it for today, guys. Now, I'd like to share with you more details on what I said at the beginning. For those of you that would like to join my bot trading, this is something that I perform for myself and for my close community. We have our performance here, very simple, no fancy sales page or any form of copywriting, because it's straightforward and raw information. Option number 1, no prior fee, only commission from the profits we make, which are paid by you every 7 days. The trading is outsourced to the bot, and we're performing the trading through API permission from your exchange. You give us trading permission and we execute a trade. Very simple. The only permissions needed are trading permissions. So commission is calculated every 7 days, and that's it. Simply contact me in the email. You have the links right there. You also have the links over there. Description area and comments area, you have all the links towards my pages, including this one. And then for those of you that appreciate and believe in education, one-on-one coaching is a real solution, especially with these hard days of the economical situation. Extra resources of money do not bother anyone. Check this out and feel free to reach out to me. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I see you soon.